Let's start with a foil cutter. Place a foil cutter on top of the bottle. Rotate the cutter and remove the foil from the bottle. It's really easy, as you can see. Rotate, job's done. Here we are. Yeah, foil is cut it out. So let's perform with this electronic wine opener system. First step is place the foil cutter on the top. Job's done. We did it, okay? Then place the opener on top of the bottle, making sure that it remains upright at all times. Then hold the opener firmly and press the cork remove button. The corkscrew spiral will remove the cork. Really easy. This is the the bottom on the downside of this device you have to push, because then the screwdriver is rotating right turn. Here, now we have contact, a flat contact, and now push again, or you can already keep pushing all the time. Then the next step is that the cork will remove it automatically and easily, really easy. So that it means we have to push again this button, and then you can see it rotates. It's continuing rotating right turn. And while this is rotating, the cork is coming up and is removed immediately. Really easy, as you can see. Job's done. So easy. Oh yeah. Easy and nice. So now we have to get the cork out of the device. For this is the other button, the upper button. Lift the opener away from the bottle. Simply press the cork release button. The spiral will release the cork immediately. This is the opposite side of the buttons. The first button on the top, on the other side was to pull out the cork. The next button is the reverse way. That means the spiral is getting reverse, not right turn, it's left turn. And then, because of this turn, the cork will come out easily. Here we can see, easy, really easy. And this is, I like, it's really awesome. It's much better electronic cork pulling system. So next is the vacuum stopper. Clean the stopper and insert it firmly into the bottle. Then there is an built-in pump to get a vacuum. This will suck out the air out of your half-full wine bottle. Lift the handle up and down to remove the air, and it really keeps your wine good for a long time. Because inside there's no odor what is coming inside, because it is a vacuum there, and because of this the wine has the natural taste, and you can see it is proof of liquid. You can rotate it 90 degrees, no problem with it. Job's done. That is the vacuum stopper for wine bottles. Here it is, the air pressure wine opener. Yeah. First step, we have to use the foil cutter. Place the foil cutter on top of the bottle, rotate the cutter, and remove the foil from the bottle. Job's done. Now, here it is, the air pressure wine opener. Oh yeah, it's really easy to handle. Push down the needle through the cork. And this is important to get down through the cork. Then you are inside the area of the bottle itself. And this will get you to get a little bit air in it. And this air pressure will lift up your cork and let it out. You can see we are now pumping. And with this pump, the cork will come out immediately. It's really easy, and this is good for really old corks and good old wines. because in often way the corks are a little bit damaged, and in this case you have to go through the cork, then get a little bit pressure inside, lift out the cork, and then you can move the slider to get back the cork on the earth again. Here we are, job's done. This is really easy, or isn't it? That is an Artherm air pressure wine opener. The wine purer. Insert the wine purer firmly and carefully into the top of the bottle to pour your wine without spilling a drop. And here you can see it is really working. There's no space for dropping wine because the pourer is getting the wine into the glass immediately. It also ventilates the wine. That means the air is coming on the upper side inside the bottle. Job's done. Really easy to inflate. And no drops. Yeah. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.